Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make griot, also known as fried pork. For those of you who don't eat pork like me, you guys can check Magda Florimon channel for the chicken version. Now what you're gonna need is the canola oil or whatever oil you want. I have some spices here that I usually use on meats like this, and I have some vinegar here. I already pre-juiced my lime that I have in my little bowl down there, and I also have some pre-cut up ones that I'm going to be cleaning my meat with. And then right here is the griot, and it's actually the pork shoulder. You can cut it up and it will look like that in a pot. And you want to put some water in a bay leaf. You just want to let it get hot. I'm going to take my limes now and I'm going to cut them up and clean it. If you've watched my channel before, you know this is what I do with most of my meats. Before I forget guys, I just wanted to say happy Flag Day to all my Haitian subscribers on my channel. I am so honored to be sharing this day with you guys, and in honor of this day I wanted to share a free-time video with the griot, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. So all I'm doing right now is just adding my spices in. I did forget to show in the beginning that I did in fact use the ippies that I usually use, so be sure to add that in as well guys. So what you want to do, once you have all your spices in there, you want to stir it, make sure it's all in there, and let it sit for about an hour just so the spices can get in there and so you can have a beautiful flavor in the end. And what I'm going to do after that hour, I'm going to put my pot on the stove at medium-high heat. I added about 4 cups of water right here, and I'm going to cover it and let it cook. Just a reminder, you want to make sure you check it frequently, add water as needed as usual, and don't let it evaporate. Alright guys, so at this point my meat is ready. I'm just going to go ahead and put my meat to the side and drain the water, add my pan back on the stove, and I'm going to add oil, and once it's hot I'm going to go ahead and add my meat in so it can fry. Now just a little tip guys, when you're doing griot, for some reason the oil get extra hot no matter what the temperature is, and the oil will pop you. So just be sure when you go to flip the meat over that you're standing at a distance, and be sure to put your temperature as low as possible just so you won't get burned, okay? And like I said, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share this recipe with you guys on the honor of Flag Day, and I really hope you enjoy it. And as I stated in the beginning of the video, if you do not eat pork, it's okay. My girl Magda will have a chicken option for you. What I love about our culture is that we respect everyone and what they like, and we have different versions of almost everything that we eat. So she's gonna share with you guys the chicken, and I have the griot for you all. And in the future I will have some different flavors of this dish for you guys. So once again guys, I really hope you enjoyed it. And for the fried plantains and the pickles, stay tuned for that because I will have that for you as well. If you're new to my channel, be sure to press the subscribing button. And for all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all for watching. Until next time, bye.